Here's how to keep the interiors of your MG Comet squeaky clean. For the plastic components and parts, get the diluted upholstery cleaner. Wipe with a soft, damp cloth. You can use the same diluted upholstery cleaner to clean the carpets and other fabrics too. But when it comes to leather trims on the steering, all you need is non-detergent soap mixed in warm water. After cleaning, dry and polish the leather using a clean and dry cloth. Take special care while cleaning the airbag covers. Again, your friendly damp cloth and upholstery cleaner will come to your rescue. Gently clean the airbag cover surfaces. To clean the seat belt, extend them fully. Then, take non-detergent soap to clean it. To clean the windows inside out, a damp cloth will come handy. For the rear windshield, special care is needed for antenna on the interior side. Special care is what you'll give by using a microfiber cloth. Enjoy the comfort and freshness of a clean MG Comet whenever you need it.
Thank you.